XD720F TrommelScreen with feed hopper, which slides in and out, retracts. Control panel, Hitachi, Schneider Electric. You have variable speed drive on the hopper, variable speed drive on the drum. You also have two hydraulic arms here, as you can see, one for the brush, one for the drum. And you have large hopper on top, scroll drum as normal, large retractable brush, okay, 7 meters. Wear panels each side. Okay. Then you have a door which is opening here. Like so. Gives you access to the complete machine. Doors closing like so. Doors locked. Good machine. You also have a door on this side for access.